Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 8th standard maths chapter 5 geometry exercise 5.4 first Roman letter first sum. Okay, so in this first Roman letter we have to construct a quadrilateral with the given following measurements. Okay, so first sum ABCD, AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 4.5 centimeter, CD equal to 3.8 centimeter, DA equal to 4.4 centimeter and AC equal to 6.2 centimeter. We have given 5 measurements. So now we have to draw a quadrilateral. What do you mean by a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a four-sided closed figure. Is called a quadrilateral. That is our irregular shape. Okay, so now we are going to draw one quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided irregular shape, closed irregular shape. So you can draw like this. Okay, name the vertices A, B, C, D, and then we have given one more measurement AC, that is our diagonal of the quadrilateral. So like this. Okay, now what is our AB here? AB we have given 5 centimeter, BC 4.5 centimeter, CD 3.5 centimeter, DA 4.4 centimeter, and then finally AC measurement is 6.2 centimeter. This is our rough diagram. Now we move on to the fair diagram. So first you have to draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Okay, so take your scale, keep your scale like this, and then take 5 centimeter. That's all. So name these two vertices as A, B, and then this line segment length is 5 centimeter. And then take a compass. Okay, and then now we have to take 4.5 centimeter by using compass. Okay, so 4.5 centimeter. So this is our 4.5 centimeter. Fix your compass at B. Draw one arc of 4.5 centimeter like this. Okay, and then we have given one more. Now we have to construct our C vertex. So we have given one more information. Our AC length is 6.2 centimeter. Okay, now take your compass, measure 6.2 centimeter like this. Okay, and then fix your compass at A, draw another arc like this. Okay, so these two arcs will intersect here, no? So this point is where C. Join B and C, and then join A and C. Our BC measurement is 4.5 centimeter. AC is nothing but 6.2 centimeter. Our next step is to construct the point D. Okay, so again take your compass, measure 3.5. So here is a 3.5. And then our CD length is 3.5. So you fix your compass at C. Draw one arc like this. And then again take 4.4 centimeter by using compass. So our DA length is 4.4 centimeter. So you have to measure 4.4 centimeter by using compass. Okay. And then fix your compass at A, because our AD length is 4.4. Here this arc will not intersect, so you just extend the previous arc, 3.5 arc. Okay, extend this arc. Okay, that's all. So this intersecting point is known as our D. Join D and C, and then join A and D. This is our required quadrilateral. So this length is 4.4 centimeter. This length is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, this is our required quadrilateral. Now we have to find out the area of the quadrilateral. What is the area formula for quadrilateral? Half into D into H1 plus H2. Our D is nothing but diagonal of the quadrilateral. H1 and H2 are two heights of the quadrilateral. Okay. Now diagonal is given in the question itself, 6.2 centimeter. But heights are not given. So you have to find out the two heights of the quadrilateral. Okay. So we have one procedure to find out the height. So listen carefully. You have to take two set squares. Okay. In our geometry box we are having two set square, no. So take this two set squares. Okay. Keep this set square like this along the diagonal. Fix your first set square like this along your diagonal, and then take another set square like this. Okay. So these two set square will coincide. Now we fix our first set square like this. We have to move our second set square like this until a D point will come. Okay. So here is our D. We have to draw one height from D to this diagonal. So this is our first height of the quadrilateral. Do you understand the procedure how to draw the height of the quadrilateral? Okay, this is our first height. Just measure the height. 1 to 2.5. So this height is 2.5 centimeter. Again you take this set square. You have to keep your set square like this along the diagonal. Okay. And then we have to take our another set square like this. These two set square will coincide like this. Okay. Now we have to move the second set square until your B point will come. Okay. Like this. Here is your B point. No. Now we have to draw one more height from B. Okay. So this is our second height. Now we measure the second height 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. This is our height 1. This is our height 2. So this is the procedure to draw a height of the quadrilateral. Now we have to substitute these two heights here. Okay. Half into, what is our diagonal? Our diagonal is nothing but 6.2 centimeter. So 6.2 into H1 is, H1 equal to 2.5 centimeter. H2 equal to 4.5 centimeter. Substitute these two values in this formula. What will you get? 2.5 plus 4.5 equal to, so these two gets cancelled. No, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. You keep your point as it is, 1 2 is 2. So 3.1 into, now we add these two numbers, 5 plus 5 10, 1, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7.0. Now we multiply these two numbers, 1 into 7 7. So there is no value for this 0 after the decimal point 0. So 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So from here we have to move one decimal point. So 21.7 centimeter square. This is our area of the quadrilateral. Thank you.